Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem that's got the coding community buzzing. The issue at hand revolves around whether a certain code snippet is legal or not. The code in question involves initializing members of a struct in a rather unconventional way, leading to some unexpected behavior. It's a classic case of pushing the boundaries of what's allowed in the world of programming. Now, let's talk about the solution to this intriguing problem. According to the Specialized Construct Guidelines, the use of std, construct underscore at, and j2 in the code falls into a bit of a gray area. The behavior of creating a new object that isn't nested within the containing object of j can be considered as implicitly undefined. This ambiguity opens up a debate on the fine line between what constitutes permissible code and what veers into the realm of undefined behavior. In summary, we've explored a thought-provoking problem in the realm of programming, delving into the intricacies of code behavior and legality. As the coding landscape continues to evolve, it's crucial to stay informed about the boundaries of what's acceptable in our programming endeavors. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!